Knowledge management is very, very often neglected, and it's such an important component of the entire AI ecosystem.
This is Conversations with Zendesk, and today we're exploring the critical connection between AI and your knowledge base.
For a bot to work well, I need to have a complete and up-to-date knowledge database. If no one is paying attention to the knowledge gaps, making sure there's an article per topic that can help customers help themselves, then what am I going to recommend to these people? At Zendesk, we've been developing a couple of important pieces to give admins insights on which content needs to be created, reviewed, and so on, so we can have an end-to-end system that works and really delivers value.
And that will help admins or knowledge base managers to create the most effective content, essentially, for your help center.
This is what we call content queues, custom suggestions for how to improve your self-service.
Our AI technology will actually scan every single support request that's coming in to surface common questions or trending topics. You're not only getting opportunities to improve the knowledge base itself, but you're also getting signals about your customers, and you can optimize your business around that. So, for instance, if you're seeing certain support topics trending, as a business, you can dig into that. And perhaps it's used to optimize your product experience. Perhaps it's used to optimize the onboarding experience. Or maybe you're just getting feedback around more services or products that your customers are looking for.
Getting knowledge management teams insights about which content needs to be created, reviewed, deleted, and so on can be very, very powerful to help them do a good job and make sure the entire AI system is fed with the right content.
Learn more about knowledge management and AI on the Zendesk blog.